Now, in exercise 2 to 3, say whether or not f of x is defined for the given values of x. If it is defined, give its value. For question number 2, f of x equals x minus 1 over x squared with domain of open 0 to positive infinity. And 2a, if x equals to 4, let's check that 4 is in the range or not. And it is in the range. So we can find it by f of 4 equals 4 minus 1 over 4 squared, which is 4 minus 1 over 16. And make it the same denominator. So it's 64 minus 1 over 16, which is 63 over 16. That's it. Okay. 2b, if x equals to 0, but the 0 is not in the range. It's not in the range. So we can't find that, which is undefined. Similarly, for 2c, minus 1 is not in the range too. So it is also undefined. Let's move to the number 3. Question 3, if x equals f of x equals to square root x plus 10 with domain of closed minus 10 to open 0. Now let's divide to 3a. If x equals to 0, but it's not in the range, so can't find it. It's undefined. For 3b, it is also not in the range. I mean, not in the domain range. So it's still undefined. And finally, for the c, the minus 10, it is in the range. So we can find it. Let's find it out. F of minus 10 is equals to square root of minus 10 plus 10. Let's make it longer. Okay. Which is square root of 0. Let's put it there. Which is 0. Okay. Now, question number 4. Given f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 3, find a, b, c, d, e, f. Okay. F of 0 is, we can substitute the x with 0. So it's 0 squared plus 2 times 0 plus 3, which is 0. This is also 0, which is 3. We can just put it there. Next, for b. F of 1 is 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 3, which is, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, which is 6. For c, f of minus 1 equals can just plug it into. So it's like this. And minus 1 squared is 1. But this is minus 2. And this is also 3. So it's 1 minus 2 plus 3 is 2. And for D, which is f of minus 3 equals f of minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3 plus 3, which is 9. Oh, minus 6 plus 3, which is 6. Next, 4e, f of a, which is just substitute the x with the a. There. And final one is f of x plus h. F of x plus h. Well, the input, instead of being the whole variable, is just an expression which can be thought of just a variable. So we can just plug it in, the whole thing. Don't forget the parentheses to group it up. These two. And there we go. Now, we have to evaluate it. X plus h all squared is just x plus h times x plus h. And we can just multiply these and this. And this thing, we can just distribute it 2 times, which is x times x is x squared. X times h is xh. Saying h times x is xh. And h times h is h squared. Write the remaining. Now, we can just answer this, but it's hard to read. So we may make it more beautiful. Just arrange it. To xh and 2x and 2h and plus 3. There. This is the final answer. Now, 5a. G of s is this. We can just plug it into g of 1 is 1 squared plus 1 over 1, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. Yeah. 5b. G of minus 1 is minus 1. Maybe I should be in another line. Yeah, better. minus 1 squared plus 1 over minus 1. This is 1. This is minus 1. And it's 0. Next, 5c. G of 4, which is 4 squared plus 1 over 4. It's 16 plus 4. 1 plus 1 over 4. Well, is we can just leave it there. Well, next is G of 5d. It is G of x. Well, we can just substitute it. 1 over x. This is it. Okay, now for 5e is G of s plus h. S plus h, which is, just put it in there, O s plus h. There, that's it. This is the answer. Now, for the next one, how about G of s plus h minus G of s. Now we have to expand it further. G of s plus h is this piece, right? So we can just let put another bracket there. S plus h squared plus 1 over s plus h. That one group. Another one is g of s, which is this, right? Is the actual original function there. So it's just s squared plus 1 over s. Now let's make it more simpler. We have to remove the bracket, right? So the first one we can just remove it. Oh, sorry. Okay. And the other one, in front of the bracket is the minus, right? So we have to distribute it inside too. So s squared become minus s squared. And another one become minus 1 over s. Now, actually we can just leave it there, but let's make it be in another form. This become this piece, right? And this is the remaining. Now, minus s squared cancelled out. The remaining is 2sh plus s squared plus 1 over s plus h minus 1 over s. Well, it's not beautiful. I'm gonna make it in another form. Let's make it just one fraction. And this is s plus h, and uh, let's make it center. This is s, and this is s plus h. So it's 2sh plus, I should arrange it like this, sh plus s, sorry, this is positive s, right? And this is minus, actually, I should, yeah, sorry. There should be a parenthesis here. So this should be s minus s and another minus h. And it's become s h. So this cancelled out and it's become s squared plus 2sh minus h minus h over s squared plus sh. This this is the beautiful form. Actually, you can answer this, or this one is the same.